Hello. Hello. My name is Olaf de Fleur. I am a filmmaker with over 20 years of experience. In this class, we're going to learn about documentaries. The ability to make documentaries has been the difference that makes the difference in my creative career. Not only are documentaries very challenging, but the great thing about them is they will prepare you for any kind of creative challenge that you might take on in making films. Documentaries are teachers, and in this class I'm going to share all the tools that I've learned in my career in making documentaries so you can make your own. In this class, you'll be doing your own documentary, and when you complete this class, you'll be able to do so independently. Throughout the class, I will provide you with a step-by-step process so you can take in the lessons through tasks and challenges, but most importantly, through a hands-on experience, which is always the best way to learn. For this class, obviously, you'll need a camera, something to record sound on, which might be within the camera, and then an editing software. So in this class, we will have two types of videos. The first type of videos will be in a form of a lesson, task, or a challenge, where you will indeed get the hands-on experience. The second type of videos will be in the form of education and philosophy and showing you examples. That way I provide you with all the extra information you might need to complete each challenge. So hopefully you are as excited as I am to share my experience. No, wait, hopefully you're as excited as... This didn't come out right. So let's try it again. Hopefully you're as happy as... No, wait. Well, let's make some films.